The cell wall is an outer layer in addition to the plasma membrane found in fungi, algae, and plant cells. The composition of the cell wall varies among species and even between cells in the same individual. All cell walls have carbohydrate fibers embedded in a stiff matrix of proteins and other carbohydrates. Plant cell walls are made of the polysaccharide cellulose. Fungal cell walls are made of the polysaccharide chitin. The cells of many multicellular animals are surrounded by an extracellular matrix, or ECM. The ECM provides structural support to the cells in addition to providing various other functions such as anchorage, cellular healing, separating tissues from one another, and regulating cellular communication. The ECM is primarily composed of an interlocking mesh of proteins and carbohydrates. Cell surfaces protect, support, and join cells. Cells interact with their environments and each other via their surfaces. Cells need to pass water, nutrients, hormones, and many more substances to one another. Adjacent cells communicate and pass substances to one another through cell junctions. Animal and plant cells have different types of cell junctions. This is mainly because plants have cell walls and animal cells do not. Plant cells are supported by rigid cell walls made largely of cellulose. They connect by plasmodesmata, which are channels that allow them to share water, food, and chemical messages. Animal cell junctions. There are tight junctions, adhering junctions, and communicating or gap junctions. Tight junctions can bind cells together into leak-proof sheets. For example, the cells of the lining of the stomach or any epithelial lining where leaking of substances is not good. Adhering junctions fasten cells together into strong sheets. They are somewhat leak-proof. For example, actin is held together in muscle. Gap junctions allow substances to flow from cell to cell. They are totally leaky. They are the equivalent of plasmodesmata in plants. For example, they are important in embryonic development. Nutrients like sugars, amino acids, ions, and other molecules need to pass through.